Never, under any circumstances, leave the washing machine door open. I know many people will be surprised now because everywhere they say the opposite. But listen carefully. My husband is a washing machine repair technician with more than 30 years of experience. Thousands of machines have passed through his hands, new and old, expensive and very simple ones. And the first thing he always pays attention to after a breakdown or a bad smell is the door. 99.9% of people make the same mistake. They finish washing, take out the laundry, and leave the door open so it can air out. It seems logical, right? But this is exactly the main reason why the machine starts to smell, grow mold, and over time, wash worse and worse. Look at what really happens. The door is open for a day, then another day. Sometimes it is open just a little, barely a crack. And inside, during this time, condensation and a vlažné sreda form. You don't see it, but this is exactly where fungus, buildup, and that musty smell begin. The one that later cannot be removed by any detergents. Now, listen carefully to how it should be done correctly. After washing, the door should not be left open. On the contrary, it needs to be closed completely. And you need to air out a different place. The detergent compartment, the very drawer at the top. You pull it out and leave it slightly open. And that's it. That is more than enough. In this case, mold will not form inside, the machine will not start to smell damp, and the laundry after washing will truly smell clean. Few people know this, but a properly working washing machine can itself give clothes a pleasant, fresh smell, even without any fragrances. And one more point that almost no one talks about. You don't need a lot of detergent. Even for a full load, 1 tablespoon is enough, no more. Excess only damages the machine and increases the smell. Try washing this way, and you will be surprised. Clothes will wash better, the smell will become clean and fresh, detergent consumption will decrease several times, and the washing machine will calmly work for decades without mold, bad odors, or repairs. Remember this rule, and there will be no more problems.
Never run your washing machine twice in a row. After a wash, the motor is hot and needs 30 to 40 minutes to cool down. If you start a new cycle immediately, the machine can overheat. The motor windings degrade, the heating element gets too hot, and limescale builds up 3 times faster. As a result, your washing machine won't last 10 to 20 years. It may start leaking in just 1 to 2 years. Take note and use wisely. For 30 years, my husband has been working as a washing machine repair technician, and here's the secret he told me. Never wash your sneakers this way. When you just throw them in, your sneakers can tear, their appearance gets damaged, and, secondly, this kind of drum vibration happens. The motor overheats, the bearings overheat, and, as a result, the washing machine breaks down. So, to wash your sneakers properly, what do you need to do? We tie the 2 sneakers together in a knot. Then look, we take the door and close it like this. Closed. These knots don't let the sneakers fall to the bottom of the drum, they don't get scratched, don't rub, and don't hit against the drum. And in this position, we wash them. After washing, you simply take out perfectly clean sneakers. Take note, save this, and subscribe. I have thousands of useful tips. You won't believe this, but it actually works. Before you start washing, just put all your clothes into the washing machine, just like you normally do. Now look, take a regular plastic bag. Just a simple, thin plastic bag, nothing special. Put it right here, together with the clothes, straight into the drum. Close the door. Then open this compartment, the one where you usually add powder or liquid detergent. Add your detergent and close it. Now start the wash. That's it. Nothing else. After the wash is finished, open the machine, and when you take out this plastic bag, you won't believe what you see. The whole bag will be covered in hair, all of it. Dog hair, cat hair, hamster hair, any kind of pet hair. This is actually a really great trick. While the machine is spinning, the bag gets charged with static electricity, and all the hair and fur stick to it. Then you just take the bag, scrunch it up like this, and throw it away. And the clothes? They come out clean. No hair, no fur, no problems. Save this and try it. I have lots of useful tips like this.